One of my absolute favorite things about driving an old car like this is the horn. Now, this was a fancy car back in the day, so it did have the buttons for the horn, but what a lot of people don't realize is you can also slam that middle part. So this thing gives you 3 ways to blare the train horn at whoever's in front of you cutting you off. Only thing that'd be better is if it had one of these. None of this dink ass it's got a real horn. This car just gives me more things to love about it every single day. And